Matzo Ball Soup. Just the name conjures up images of family, tradition, and pure comfort food. This beloved Jewish soup, with its fluffy matzo balls floating in a rich broth, is much more than just a meal. It's a symbol of history and heritage, especially cherished during Passover. Passover is a time when Jewish families gather to celebrate their freedom and remember their ancestors' journey out of Egypt. During this holiday, leavened bread is forbidden, and matzo, an unleavened flatbread, takes its place. And what better way to elevate this simple bread than to transform it into the heart of a delicious and comforting soup? Matzo Ball Soup is a true testament to Jewish ingenuity, turning a simple ingredient like matzo meal into a culinary masterpiece that has been warming hearts and stomachs for generations. It's a dish that connects us to our past, brings families together, and offers a taste of home. Whether you're familiar with this classic or trying it for the first time, I invite you to experience the joy of making and sharing matzo ball soup. It's a dish that's sure to become a beloved tradition in your own home. Before we embark on our matzo ball soup journey, let's gather our ingredients. For the matzo balls, we'll need matzo meal, eggs, chicken fat or oil, salt, pepper, and a touch of seltzer for lightness. The soup itself is a symphony of simple yet flavorful ingredients. We'll start with a flavorful chicken broth, simmered with carrots, celery, and onions for depth and aroma. Fresh dill adds a vibrant touch, while salt and pepper bring all the flavors together. Don't be afraid to adjust the seasonings to your liking. A pinch of garlic powder or a sprinkle of dried parsley can add subtle nuances to your soup. Remember, cooking is about making a dish your own. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the heart of the matter: making the matzo balls and bringing the soup to life. First, we'll prepare the matzo balls. In a large bowl, combine matzo meal, eggs, melted chicken fat or oil, salt and pepper. Slowly add seltzer while mixing, creating a batter that's light and airy. Cover the bowl and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While the matzo ball mixture rests, we'll begin our flavorful broth. In a large pot, combine chicken broth, chopped carrots, celery, and onions. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least an hour, allowing the flavors to meld. Now for the stars of the show, the matzo balls. With wet hands, gently form the chilled mixture into balls about the size of a walnut. Gently lower each ball into the simmering broth. Cover and cook for about 30 minutes, or until the matzo balls are cooked through and fluffy. As the matzo balls simmer, their aroma will fill your kitchen, creating an anticipation that's simply irresistible. The beauty of matzo balls lies in their versatility. For lighter, fluffier matzo balls, add a bit more seltzer to the mixture. If you prefer a denser texture, reduce the amount of seltzer. Remember, practice makes perfect. To make this dish vegetarian, simply swap the chicken broth with vegetable broth. You can even add noodles to your soup for a heartier meal. Just remember to cook them separately and add them to the soup just before serving. Once the matzo balls are cooked, ladle the soup into bowls, placing 2 or 3 matzo balls in each bowl. Garnish with fresh dill and a sprinkle of freshly ground pepper. There you have it, a pot of steaming, fragrant matzo ball soup, ready to warm your heart and soul. It's a dish that's perfect for any occasion, whether it's a cozy family dinner or a special holiday gathering. Enjoy!